Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So here, as we said recently, so overall price action looks a bit bearish, at least it's definitely not very good situation for taking the long position here, not very inspiring for buying the gold right now. And as we said recently, we need to keep an eye on the two moments. First of all is forming reversal swing, second is breakout of the support line on hourly chart. Here, as you can see, that recently this overall sell-off was relatively strong, and actually both conditions that we have announced have been completed. So take a look on the hourly chart. You could see that downside action here is greater than the previous swing up, and market has broken through the trend line, but now it's returned right back up. Here with this a clear ABCD retracement. That means that currently we have on the market clear Gardner steeple to sell pattern, which is potentially suitable for taking the short position. Also, the good moment with this pattern is that you definitely know where the validation point is. It's just above this area, or better to use the area above the OP target, because if by some case if market will start to form upward direction, forming the butterfly, so you could calculate the extension and use the stop just above this area, above the OP and above the 127 extension, if gold market still will able to move slightly higher, forming the butterfly here and complete the OP. Additionally, another way how to act, for instance, you could keep an eye on the possible grabber pattern here on the follow time frame chart. So market will form the grabber, confirm it by the close price of the candle. In this case, it will be additional points in favor of the downward action. So that's what about the bearish situation. From the bullish point of view, while these patterns are valid and stands on the market, it would be better to not consider taking the long position until they will work out or just will be cancelled. So just keep an eye on what will happen. So in fact, the bullish context could be triggered in the case if market will able to break through the OP and starting upward action here. In that situations, market will appear above resistance. Potentially, it could mean that we have stronger upward action. But currently, it's really very weak overall price behavior, and we do not see the signs for that. That's why mostly context is bearish. So if even you do not want to sell right now and just watching what will happen, currently it would be better to not consider taking the long position by far, because overall price action is not really impressive, and well, the effect of the Fed statement has been in-housed very fast, and market mostly is a bit disappointed with this, hoping that it will be more aggressive behavior from the Fed, but it hasn't followed. Second moment is that market mostly totally ignored the 1.9 trillion Biden's pact supporting the economy. It makes actually no effect on the markets. While previously it was a significant driver, and after the announcement additional pack, this market usually shows the upward action. But here, despite that overall pack value is very significant, so almost no reaction on the market has followed. That makes us think that market is a bit stands under bearish pressure, and well, for taking the new long positions, we need to have more bullish signs and stronger bullish context that we do not have currently. For the bearish and for the bearish context, you could see what we have actually that we explained in this update. So that's what we have currently on the gold.